You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 86.927. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 7 plus 6 plus 4, equals 17. Carry 1 to the hundredths place. 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, equals 22. Carry 2 to the tenths place. 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, equals 29. Carry 2 to the ones place. 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, equals 26. Carry 2 to the tens place. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, equals 8. And so the final result is 86.927.